Good morning, students. Today we are going to study combustion and flame. After looking this video, you will able to answer all the question and answers in the book. We have seen a blacksmith burns coal to get hot iron, which can be beaten to desired shape. A variety of fuels is used in daily life, such as coal, petrol, charcoal, LPG, etc. Do you know which chemical process is taking place during the burning of these fossil fuels? It is combustion. In this lesson, you will learn about combustion of fuels. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn combustion and its types, definition of ignition temperature, the necessary conditions for combustion, about fire extinguisher, types of combustion. Here, Rahim is performing a simple activity. He is burning a magnesium ribbon on a flame. Notice carefully, heat and light is also produced along with magnesium oxide. Now look at the burning of coal. This burns in air, producing carbon dioxide, heat and light. In both the examples, the substance are reacting with oxygen of the air to produce heat and light. This process is called combustion. There are two types of substance. Some substance catches fire and burns, while the other group does not catches fire. As you can see, the boy is bringing a lighted matchstick close to the paper and glass. The paper catches fire, and so it is called combustible substance. The glass does not burn, and such substance which cannot burn in air or oxygen are non-combustible substance. Let us discuss the condition necessary for burning. Light a candle and cover it with a glass tumbler. You will see that candle stops burning after a while. This implies that candle burns freely in presence of air. Therefore, air is necessary for combustion. We just saw that a pepper burns when lighted with a matchstick. Now bring the matchstick close to a piece of wood. The piece of wood does not catch fire. The lighted matchstick is not able to burn the piece of wood, but a piece of paper burns quickly. This is because a piece of wood has not reached its ignition temperature. Ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which the substance catches fire. Your mother would have told to keep away a burning matchstick or a lighter from LPG gas stove in the kitchen. This is because LPG catches fire very easily. Similarly, you must have seen no smoking signboard in petrol pump. It is because petrol also catches fire very easily, and therefore it is advisable not to smoke at the petrol pump. Substances like LPG and petrol are inflammable because they have low ignition temperature, due to which they readily catches fire. Now we will see how the fire can be extinguished. Fire needs oxygen, heat and fuel to exist. That is, a triangle is formed between oxygen, heat and fuel. If we cut one of these, whether oxygen or heat or fuel, then we can easily extinguish the fire. However, it can be put off by removing any one of them. You must have seen firemen throwing water on the fire, and the fire gets extinguished. Water brings the temperature of the combustible material below its ignition temperature and cuts off the supply of air. But water is not a good extinguisher for electrical or oil fires. For electrical and oil fires, it is best to use carbon dioxide as an extinguisher. Carbon dioxide, being heavier than oxygen, covers the fire like a blanket, due to which contact between the fuel and the oxygen gets cut off. Let us now look at the type of combustion. As you can see a lady igniting LPG in a kitchen to make food. LPG burns quickly, producing a lot of heat. This type of combustion is called rapid combustion. Phosphorus, when left in open for some time, it catches fire. This type of combustion is called spontaneous combustion. For example, spontaneous combustion is the forest fire and the fires in the coal mines. You must have seen fireworks during festival days. What happens when the cracker burns? The burning of a cracker produces a large amount of heat, light, and sound. This type of combustion is called explosion combustion. Let us summarize what we have learned.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourselves, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. Hum honge kamyab. Jai Hind.